huge opportunity because the TVL is very low on MATIC. Get your ears on. TVL is low on MATIC.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So, market, not too bad. You know, we're getting a little consolidation. ETH is popping along nicely, can't complain. But what's today's topic? Today's topic is MATIC. So MATIC kind of originally launched, and you know, I think the thing that was hurting it was not easy to get over to MATIC, okay? But now, here's what's sweet. That new X-Pollinate bridge allows you to take Binance Smart Chain and boom, move it right over the MATIC network, smart network. Now that's assuming you've set up the RPC in your MetaMask. Now why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because again, TVL. I can't say it enough. You follow the money, okay? When TVL increases, the primary asset increases, period, okay? MATIC's had a run, you know, it's like 43 cents. It's not too bad. But does it have room to grow? Absolutely. So I was kind of looking over there, experimenting with some of these tools, and I'm actually going to make a video on it. The biggest problem you have when you go over to MATIC is if you use X-Pollinate, you end up over on MATIC and you don't have any MATIC for gas. Now there's other tools. So if you get your buddy to send you a MATIC, but what I will do is when I make my next video, the next video, not this video, I'll have it. So if you post your address, I'll send you one MATIC and then that'll get you started. That's an infinite supply of gas basically. But anyways, why it's so interesting is there's not a ton of TVL. There's like 100 million on QuickSwap. QuickSwap is kind of like the equivalent of Pancake, but on the MATIC side, right? So, considering that there's $35 billion on Binance side, and there's 100 million on MATIC side, MATIC has tons and tons and tons of room to grow, even getting to $1 billion. And you can see an easy 3 to 5x on MATIC as a speculative trade. That's not even farming or anything. So anyways, I kind of spent the earlier part of the day getting some tools together, understanding how it works, and I actually had to have someone send me one MATIC so I'd have some gas. Now I'm live on QuickSwap. So what's my strategy? Well, I'm over on Bunny, and I've got my 2100 cake staked over there. I was boosting my elephant pool with my cake divs, but I'm going to start diverting my cake yield over to the MATIC side. So I'll be moving like a couple $100 a day onto the MATIC network. Now, initially, I'm just buying the coin. I'm not really farming per se yet. So that's kind of like my starting point is I just want to start building my MATIC bag. I've got about $280 to $300. So basically, I don't know, 2,000, 3,000 a week in yield, and I'm just gonna keep moving that over to MATIC. And to do that, basically, you would convert your BNB over to one of the stables, and then you flip it onto the MATIC network as a stable over there, and then you go to QuickSwap, and then you can buy MATIC. Whew, that's a lot to say. But anyways, again, huge opportunity because the TVL is very low on MATIC. Get your ears on. TVL is low on MATIC. Another huge opportunity. I see MATIC just freaking going parabolic, especially with this new bridge because it makes it so dang easy to get from Binance Smart Chain over to MATIC. Now, keep in mind, not financial advice. The MATIC bridge is experimental. So do a very small test amount before you do anything. But I had pretty good luck. It only took about 10, 15 seconds. Now, on the flip side, I might even consider, because like I said, I think this is an opportunity, I might even consider selling about 10 grand worth of my cake and moving that cake into MATIC to get, like 20,000, 25,000 MATICs, just so I can start building my bags over there. Because all my stuff on Binance side, I got plenty. I'm on Balancer, that's on my ETH side. You want to build out on these networks. And I think it's a good time because the lack of tools on MATIC made it difficult. But my next video, I will post all my tools, the farm tools, Xpollinate, and Explore, the RPC. I already did a video on the RPC, and I'm starting a dedicated MATIC playlist as well. As I always say, follow the money, people. Follow the money, and a lot of money can pour in. Now, on a bonus note of why I think money is going to flow in, Aave is doing a massive liquidity event where they've allocated MATIC rewards for people that provide liquidity. Now, when I went over there and flipped it around, it's a little complicated. The APYs, APYs are more designed for whales, but you can farm MATIC with zero loss with, your synthetic MATIC tokens, synthetic BTC, synthetic ETH, whatever you have on the MATIC side. So, anyways, more to come. I do think there's a lot of potential in this coin to go to $3, $5 in the near term. So we don't want to miss out on this opportunity for the next leg up in DeFi, and that is on MATIC. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.